Welcome to ICMMS, the maintenance cloud by Infinity Systems. In the next few minutes, you'll see how ICMMS keeps every asset, every work order, and every spare part under control, from preventive maintenance that runs itself, all the way to a live link with your ERP. Let's sign in. We're logging in with our Infinity manufacturing account. This is the command center. At a glance, you get your key numbers, total equipment, machines currently down, open and overdue work orders, new requests, and parts running low on stock. Below that, work orders broken down by status and by priority, and a live feed of your most recent open jobs. Everything on this page is real data from your plant. Let's start with the asset registry. Every machine, its category, location, and criticality, all searchable and sortable. Each asset carries its own maintenance history, meter readings, attached manuals, and a printable cue or tag, so a technician on the floor can pull up everything with a single scan. Work orders are the heart of the system. From the moment a job is raised, ICMMS tracks its priority, its SLA due date, the tasks to perform, the parts consumed, and the labor logged against it, rolling all of it up into a true cost per job and a complete, auditable timeline. Preventive maintenance runs on autopilot. Build a plan on a calendar or a meter trigger, attach a procedure with tiered task lists, and ICMMS generates the work orders for you, skipping duplicates when a job is already open. Stop chasing the calendar. Let the calendar chase you. Spare parts are tracked across every storeroom with true FIFO costing. Receive stock at its real price. Issue it to a work order, and ICMMS consumes the oldest layer first, so your valuation is always accurate. When a part runs low, it raises a purchase request automatically. That request flows straight into purchasing. Approve it, combine several requests into a single purchase order, receive the goods, even partially, and the new stock lands back in inventory as fresh cost layers. From shortage to shelf, without ever leaving ICMMS. And it's all measurable. Preventive maintenance compliance, mean time to repair, downtime trends, cost by equipment, failure analysis, stock valuation, and more. 14 ready-made reports, plus a custom report builder for the questions that are unique to you. Finally, ICMMS doesn't work in isolation. With one connection, it talks to your ERP, syncing parts, warehouses, and assets, and pushing purchase requests and stock issues straight into ERP Next. There are API keys, signed webhooks, and single sign-on, all built in. We cover that live in a later episode. That's ICMMS in just a few minutes. A full command center for maintenance, preventive plans that run themselves, FIFO inventory, purchasing, deep reporting, and a live ERP link. Check the next videos for a deep dive into each feature. Thank you for watching.